Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of aquarium care and taking a close look at the best Aquarium Dechlorinator on the market, the API Stress Coat Aquarium Water Conditioner. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or just setting up your first tank, this is one product you'll want in your toolkit. This is the API Stress Coat, a powerful, dual-action water conditioner trusted by thousands of aquarists around the world. At first glance, it might just look like another bottle of aquarium solution. But there's a reason it's an Amazon's Choice product with over 37,000 positive ratings. Let's talk about what it does. Every time you add tap water to your tank, whether during a full clean, a partial change, or just topping off, you're introducing chlorine, chloramines, and heavy metals. These substances can stress or even harm your fish. API Stress Coat instantly neutralizes these chemicals, making tap water safe and stress-free for your aquatic pets. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike basic conditioners, API Stress Coat goes a step further. It contains aloe vera extract, which helps replace the natural slime coat that fish lose during handling, transport, or fights. That slime coat isn't just for show, it's their protective barrier. With this formula, you're not just conditioning the water, you're actively helping your fish recover and stay healthy. Using it is simple. Just add 5 milliliters for every 10 gallons of water. Need extra healing for damaged skin or fins? You can double the dose safely. The formula is designed to repair and rejuvenate without putting your tank at risk. One bottle contains 16 ounces, or about 0.48 liters, and it goes a long way. With a lightweight, easy-pour liquid form, application is quick and clean. It's suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums and is manufactured by Mars Fish Care, a name well known for reliability in aquatic health products. And if you're wondering about results, it's fast. Within moments of dosing, fish tend to show reduced signs of stress, clearer movement, and more active behavior. That's because you're not just detoxifying their environment, you're creating a safe, calm, and restorative space they can thrive in. So, whether you're adding new fish, doing routine maintenance, or nursing a tank back to balance, API Stress Coat makes a noticeable difference. It's affordable, effective, and it comes from a brand trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike. You can find it easily on Amazon, and yes, it ships globally. Even with import charges, it's worth every penny for what it brings to your aquatic ecosystem. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you've used API Stress Coat or have questions about aquarium care, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product insights just like this. Until next time, keep your fish happy and your tanks crystal clear.